you snored again last night.
I don't snore.
Don't snore. The neighbors downstairs thought we were renovating.
That's exaggerated, right?
I recorded it. Wanna listen?
Sure.
Snore. That sounds like a bulldozer.
That's the quiet part. Later, you talked in your sleep, too.
What did I say?
You said, 10 more buns, please, and then snored even louder.
Maybe I was dreaming about eating.
Dude, you turned those buns into an air pump in your dream.
Should I sleep on the couch tonight?
Forget it. I already bought noise-canceling headphones and sleeping pills.